In front of me is OPPO F19 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Apps section. Then you need to click on Default Apps and click on one of those options. In my case, Browser app. Lastly, just click on your new app that you wish to apply. And when you're ready, go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!